Enhancing structure through point of view. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of creative writing and examining how the point of view can significantly enhance the structure of a story. Point of view is not just about who's telling the story, but how it shapes the entire narrative. Let's uncover the magic. The point of view, POV, determines through whose eyes the story is being told. It impacts the reader's connection to the characters and the story. First person. I went to the store. Here, the narrator is a character in the story. Second person. You went to the store. This is rare but can be used in some unique stories. Third person. He, she, they went to the store. The narrator is outside of the story, observing. The choice of POV can significantly impact the way a story unfolds. 1. Pacing. A first-person POV might delve deeper into a character's thoughts, potentially slowing down the pace. Whereas, third person could offer a broader overview, moving the plot along more quickly. 2. Reliability. First person can introduce the concept of an unreliable narrator, adding mystery. The reader has to discern what's true or not based on this singular perspective. 3. Knowledge. Third-person omniscient can offer insights into multiple characters' thoughts, giving the reader a more comprehensive understanding of the story. Switching POV. Occasionally, authors switch between POVs to reveal different aspects of the story or to contrast character perspectives. This can add depth and layers to your narrative. Limited versus omniscient. Decide if you want to limit the knowledge to one character, limited, or have an all-knowing narrator, omniscient. The former can create suspense, while the latter offers a bird's-eye view. Consistency. It's crucial to maintain consistency in your POV choice unless a deliberate switch enhances the structure or adds a twist. 1. Experiment. Try writing a scene from different POVs to find what suits your story best. 2. Read. Delve into books that use various POVs. Notice how they influence the story's structure and flow. 3. Feedback. Ask peers or mentors to read your work. Sometimes, an external perspective can help identify what POV strengthens the narrative structure. So there we have it. Understanding and effectively using point of view can drastically transform your story's structure. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice, only what best serves your narrative. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll master the art of utilizing POV to enhance your story structure. Happy writing!